Welcome to JazzTime. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys and sells and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online. If you want to know the price, simply click the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you buy your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today, we'll be talking about the Rolex Datejust 31 with an Aubergine dial, Pave 6 on a Jubilee bracelet, model number 178274. Keep in mind that this is a discontinued model, but a new model did come out this year with a diamond bezel, so keep a lookout for that one coming soon at jazztime.com. The case is steel, as well as the bracelet, and the bezel is also fluted for an attractive presentation. The dial is actually labeled Aubergine, which is a type of eggplant actually if you are English. But to me it sounds much nicer than saying that it is simply purple or violet or even Tyrian, depending on your region. And keep in mind that this actually is very dark purple in my light box, but I'm sure in the sunlight it will radiate very brilliantly. This model is equipped with the caliber 2235 movement, self-winding mechanical, entirely developed and manufactured by Rolex. And like all Rolex perpetual movements, this 2235 is a certified Swiss chronometer, designation reserved for high precision watches that have successfully passed the Swiss Official Chronometer Testing Institute tests. The movement itself is a diameter of 20 millimeters, 31 joules, and a frequency of 2880 as per usual, and a power reserve of 48 hours. So be sure to keep this one wound. Just walking around with it will keep it wound nicely, but if you ever need to set it down, you can pick it up 2 days later and it'll be keeping track of time just fine. The bracelet is the Jubilee style, made of steel, all polished on the outside, the sides, and brushed underneath. The clasp is the concealed folding crown clasp for a very sleek look and design, as you only have the Rolex crown logo up there. To open it, simply pull the top and it unlocks very cleanly. Alright, and now to try this on. Alright. Now this is a watch that is marketed as a ladies style watch, as it is only 31 millimeters in diameter from finger to thumb. But on my wrist it actually looks, very proportionally sized. I have plenty of space on both the top and bottom of my wrist, so I actually would wear this. I wouldn't mind having a Datejust 31. And also look at the 11 handset diamonds, as this is labeled a Pave 6, meaning that there are handset diamonds at the 6 o'clock position, denoting the number 6 in Roman numerals. And note that they do actually shine much more radiantly than all the other Roman numerals, the Roman numerals on the dial along periphery. You can see them depending on the angle of light, but the 6 you can always see regardless. Looks very nice, clean presentation. So what are your thoughts on this watch? Does the word Aubergine bring some really weird sense or implication to you, or is it just another color? And would you buy this watch given the chance? Keep in mind, again, this is discontinued, but we can get it for you at jazztime.com. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in our online store.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.